Here's my London fog recipe. It's soothing and aromatic. It's my go-to thing when I want something comforting, but still gives me a little boost of caffeine. And it's aesthetically pleasing with this thick foam and dried lavender buds. So let's get into it. I'm using loose leaf Earl Grey tea today. But if you don't have loose leaf, that's totally okay. You can use 2 Earl Grey tea bags. Something that makes Earl Grey tea so good is that it's infused with bergamot oil, which gives it its signature citrusy taste. So I'm pouring half a cup of hot water over my tea leaves, and I'm going to let that steep. While that steeps, bring 1 cup of milk to a boil. You can use any type of dairy or non-dairy milk that you prefer. You want to keep whisking the milk so that it doesn't scorch in the pot. And I swear, every time I go to turn my back, that's when the milk is going to boil over. And it just seems to happen so fast, so make sure to keep an eye on it. Whisking the milk also helps to create some nice foam. And if you want even thicker foam, you can use a handheld milk frother. I like to tilt the pot and then put the handheld frother into the bottom and then turn it on to avoid splashing. You have to be careful because the milk is super hot, so just be very gentle about this. And if you don't like super thick foam, then just stick to the whisk. Next, you can go ahead and discard your tea leaves. And then if you'd like, you can add an optional sweetener. So today I'm adding a teaspoon of honey. There's so many different things that you can add, and one of my suggestions is lavender syrup. I think that would be delicious in this recipe. I definitely have to get on it and make a lavender syrup recipe for you guys. Finally, pour in the milk and scoop in the rest of the foam. One thing I love about making these lattes is that they're really highly customizable, so if you guys make it and then tweak it to fit your taste buds, let me know what you did. You can also add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract if you really love vanilla as well. So today I'm adding on some dried lavender buds. It is for the aesthetic, but also lavender pairs really well with Earl Grey, and I think that the two is just so soothing and comforting. I hope that you guys like this recipe, and I can't wait to keep making more tea latte recipes, and I'll see you guys in the next video.